You are welcome. Let's make gâteau, not cake, because in French, gâteau means cake. So now, let's go. Here we have flour, 800 grams. We have melted butter, 200 grams. We have a teaspoon of nutmeg for the flavor, a teaspoon of salt, tablespoon of yeast. Powder milk is optional, 50 grams. Here is sugar, 100 grams. Weight, 2 eggs. Here I have water into the cup. It's 400 grams of water. Into the bowl, let's pour water. Then we put yeast inside the water. Mix it very well. After mixing, I will cover and set it aside for 10 minutes for the yeast to rise. You can see I used cling film to cover it. I will set it aside for 10 minutes. I will start by mixing the dry ingredients together. I will start by adding sugar into the flour, nutmeg and salt. Powder milk. Powder milk is optional, but trust me, it's nice. The last video I make puff puff, I add powder milk. It was so nice. So you can put it, it's nice. Mix it together. Mix it very well. I will now add melted butter. I will add the 2 eggs. You have to mix it very well. So you can see now I'm using my hands so that I will mix it properly. You can see now it's well mixed. Now let's add the water mixed with yeast. We now pour the water and mix it very well. You can see now the dough is well mixed. So I'm going to cover it now with foil paper or cling film and keep it aside for 50 to 60 minutes. Put it where it's warm. Now I'm in the UAE, so the weather is hot, so I will put it outside. You can see I use foil paper, so now I'm going to keep it. After 50 minutes, let's open our dough and check. Can you see how the dough is soft? Now on the rolling board, let's put some flour, because we are still going to mix it again so that it will be okay. It will be very nice and more soft and smooth to roll it. You can see now you still have to mix it properly with your hand. Mix it again so that it will be very nice for you to cut it and make it round. Now it's ready to cut it round, to make the round bowl. You can see the way I cut it. You can use knife, you can use your hands to cut it. Then when you want to start rubbing it, you put some flour on your palms. Then you now rub it so that it will not stick in your palms. You can see the way I'm doing it. You have to bring it together, close the mouth, and you have to close your palms a little bit. Then after you bring it together, then you turn it, you now rub it. You can see the way I'm rubbing it. Can you see that? Can you see the way it looked like? Now I'm done rubbing it. I'm still going to cover it and keep it again for 20 minutes for it to rise again. Yeah, so that it will be very easy when I'm frying it. You can see now into the pot with vegetable oil. Don't allow your oil to be too hot. It should just be medium. For you to know that the oil is ready, you should put a little bit of dough inside and see if the dough should come up. You will know the oil is ready for you to start frying. You can see now the little dough I put is coming up. It means that the oil is ready. So when you are putting it, put it carefully. Yeah, and you reduce your fire. Put your fire low when you are putting it inside so that The outside will not be brown while the inside is not ready. So make your fire to be low. Can you see now? It's getting ready. If you have enjoyed this video so far, I want to use this moment to say thank you for watching. If today is your first time, you're welcome. To my old subscribers, you are amazing. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share it to your friends and family, and leave your comments below and let me know if you are going to try it or not. Let me know. When you leave your comments, you give me the inspiration to continue. Even your likes, you have to keep on stirring it. Don't allow it to get done to the other side. Just keep on turning it like this, turning it. Our gâteau is almost there. It's almost there. Et voila. This is the final result. Our gâteau is ready. In Cameroon, we can eat it with tea, beans, pap, which is porridge, corn porridge. We call it pap in Cameroon. So et voila, you can still pour, just sprinkle some sugar on it and just be yum 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 yum. Thank you for watching, guys. See you into the next video. Don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye. Ciao.